So my name's Jonathan. I got into aviation about 5 years ago. I have roots in Alaska, and so that's the mode of transportation up there. I really didn't think it was an attainable goal until a friend of mine had a float plane. I flew around with him, and I thought, you know, that's something I might be able to get into. So I started flying in 2015, and I've loved it ever since. So I was taking the wheel pants off my plane, and I ended up taking the wrong bolt out and dumped the oil out of my front strut. So I needed to service my strut. The local FBO couldn't fit me in for a couple of weeks, and I was just looking online on how to, actually do the strut service, and I found a YouTube video with Bogert's pressurized strut filler, and it looked phenomenal as far as the ease of it and how well it worked. Richard was really super nice guy. Was willing to work around, find a time that worked for me, worked for him, and actually came out to the plane. So great customer service. We started off with a tow bar. It's about half the weight of the one I currently have. Stacks down to like that big. Can easily throw it in the baggage compartment. I really like the tow bar. So the pressurized strut filler, I can see it's a great design, great idea. Overall, way easier than jacking your plane up, pushing the wheel in, squirting the oil out, and back and forth. It's innovative. It's a great product. And then we use the HX, the hand pump. My other experience on my other plane also is I took a portable pump out there. I think like a 25-gallon, pretty good pump. And I had a heck of a time getting the air pressure up that's required for the strut. I had to pull the tail down again and let the strut out and try to get pressure. The HX strut pump just worked like a charm. Hooked the air to it, and it worked great. Worked like a charm. I would definitely have them check out Bogert Aviation. Like I said, the products are innovative. I haven't seen anything like them. It's definitely, I think, on the cutting edge, and you could do all three struts in probably a half an hour to an hour, and doing it the other way, especially if you're not a regular mechanic, it's going to take you half the day. So it's a time saver.